Hey guys, and welcome to Home with Lace. If you're new here, I am Lace. In today's video, we are going to be finishing up the entryway, putting together the table that we just built behind me and putting that all together, making the space one cohesive place. So if you like those types of videos, and for those who are returning, thank you so much for coming along this journey with me and being a part of this ride. And with no further ado, let's get started. We're gonna get started with putting together the table, and then we're just gonna put a couple things that I've kind of collected throughout the past, I don't know, month or so. Most of the items came from either Target or Amazon. If you guys would like me to do a room tour where I actually go through each item and let you know where I got it from, just give me a comment down below and I can do that for you. If you like room transformations, makeover, home decorating videos, then this is the video for you. And make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you get the full Home with Lace experience. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time a video comes up and you don't miss a beat. So without further ado, let's get started.
For a while, thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight.
In last week's episode, it was all about building, and we finally finished our entryway table. And now for the fun part, so let's get to it.
I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. Babe, skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh my, it's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday.
Do you ever just make something and then look back like several times and just kind of marvel at what you made and just, you know, you're like, oh wow, I actually made this. Well, that's what I'm doing here. And I'm trying to figure out how I want to style this. I bought some things in the course of a couple weeks. Like this mirror is from Hobby Lobby, and I knew I didn't want like a round mirror or a rectangle mirror. I wanted something arch, and when I saw it online for half the price that I've seen it in other stores, I knew I had to have it. So all the things that I've got for this area has been, like I said, gotten in the course of a couple weeks. Like this plant right here I got from IKEA. And I mean, did you even know that they had live plants at IKEA? I mean, I guess I've known, but I've never gone to IKEA specifically for plants. So I never really thought about getting a plant until we were towards the checkout and I saw this beauty and I was like, this will fit perfectly in the entryway. And I am a big component of shopping your home. This round like globe vase, I've had this for, I would say like 10 years, and I got it at like a Goodwill one time 10 years ago, and I've kept it around ever since. It's been in the last 5 houses we've been in, and I'm still in love with that. And I think it's really cool how, you know, you don't have to get rid of the things that you have. You can always just keep reusing them, putting them in different places, and they serve different purposes and really bring to life your home. Not everything has to be new and not everything has to be on trend, but just shop your home, save money, and reuse the things that you have, and maybe you'll see a new light in them. But I won't lie, it's still really fun to shop around and find pieces that really speak to you and find things that, you know, you actually like, and it's not just something that you had because it's cheap or filling or, you know, whatever it is. It's something that you like and that you want to bring into your home. And a lot of those things that I've found for this space are from, of course, Target or Home Goods. But really, it's just whatever makes your home feel like home.
Somehow, time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah.
like I've said before, we're doing different projects simultaneously. Right here is actually a shot from when I was doing the other half of the entryway, and I'm just cleaning off this bench. I did reupholster this bench with a throw that I found on the Target dollar spot, and I just wanted to clean up the area so that when I revealed the table, it really just, you know, it felt inviting and it felt like a place that you wanted to be. And of course, this is like where people would enter my home, right? So you want it to reflect the way that you want people to feel once they enter your home.
I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple of friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow.
So I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did, and that you'll be back for future Homely Place videos. And you know what? I'm just gonna stop talking and let the camera roll so you guys can see final reveal of the room. So here we go.
Time has stopped, nothing's changed. We're the same, and we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. Skip the small talk. Cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing.
So in the previous shot, you saw that this plant was all the way on the other side of the room, but I just went to Home Goods and found a basket that I've been wanting for a while, and they had the perfect one. And so I wanted to place it over here, and I thought it would just be the perfect spot for it. Look at it, guys. Isn't she so pretty? She brings so much texture and just, I don't know, she's just gorgeous.
It's changed, we're the same, and we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to escape for a while, thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name, had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like.
One quick question before you guys leave. What should I do with these closet doors? So my original thought was to get some like pull wrap. As you can see, there's like a line right here. So I'd make like an arch or oval, because I'd have this here too. So like an oval shape here with pull wrap, and then I would paint the rest of it, or panel the rest of it, so that way it was smooth and didn't have the beveled edges there. And then I would paint it like a cream or white, and then just have like the pull wrap be like the natural wood color. Or my second thought was to just paint it white and just have it like a normal everyday door. Or maybe keep it like, I don't know if this was meant to be white or if it's just because it's an old paint color and it hasn't been painted in a while, but like paint it like a more up-to-date cream or beige or something like that, and just keep it pretty neutral. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should I pull wrap it, or should I just keep it fairly neutral with white or like a beige?
Yesterday somehow time has stopped.
And come back for the next video. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. We did our front porch and it turned out super cute. So come back for our next video to see. All right, so we're coming to the end of the video, and I just wanted to take this moment and say thank you so much for watching and being a part of this family of ours. The little monster is coming, and she's here. Anyways, so like I said before, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And go follow me on Instagram at @HomeWithLace. And I hope you enjoyed the video and that you will be back for next week's video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.